In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change gender in Monster Hunter World. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have previously created a character in Monster Hunter World and you are curious on how to change the gender, what you will notice is that if you go inside of the game, you access any weapon chest, and you try to change your appearance from there, you will only be able to change certain aspects, such as the hair. It is possible for you to change the gender of a pre-existing character, but this isn't something that you will be able to do for free. So, when you go over to the Select Character window, one of the options that you have is this, the Character Edit Voucher. This is what you have to use to edit your character and change the gender. So to answer the question in the title of this video, it is possible for you to do this, but you will have to acquire one of these vouchers. I'm going to teach you how to purchase one through Steam, and all that you have to do to actually use it is to go over to any character that you have and then press the respective button. So on PC it is N. I'll then be able to select Edit Your Hunter and then go through with this process, and you will be able to select the gender as if you were creating a new character from scratch. If you want to acquire this voucher and you are playing on PC, just go over to the Steam store and look for Monster Hunter World Character Edit Voucher Single Voucher. You also have the option to purchase multiple of these at once, and as you can see, you will be able to edit your character fully, including the gender. So just go over here and acquire one of these. It should also be available for consoles, and as long as you use it inside of the game, you will be able to change the gender. There are also mods available for PC or third-party tools that you can use to edit this, but I'm not going to be covering those on this video. You should do them at your own risk, but you should be able to change the gender as soon as you acquire one of those vouchers and you use it here. I hope I was able to help you on how to change gender in Monster Hunter World. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.